All right, guys, we got a 2012 Chevy Camaro RS V6. Look at that little tow hook. That's nice. Anyways, got 4 converters, 2 there, 2 there. And then he brought his own complete MBRP system, axle back or cat back with an X pipe right there. Then 2.5-inch pipe all the way back, and 2 MBRP mufflers, one there and one there, into some 3.5-inch tips out the back. I'll get you guys the part number in a second on it, as you guys can see right there. So it's a complete bolt-on system. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. Just a nice deep tone. Nice thing about the MBRP system is you hear it when you give it gas. It's not bad at all. Nice. Again, here's sound decibels. 106. Again. The part number on it. No. Where's that? Maybe on the paper? That sounds pretty good. Go ahead and back it out. That sounds really nice. I like it. Really nice to know. Not too much rest. Again, I'll let you guys hear on the inside. Chevy Camaro RS V6 full bolt-on S7020 MBR system. MBRP. Good Lord, I can never say that. MBRP system. Enjoy, guys.